We're here at Brainwaves 2025. It's been a fantastic first day. Talks on cranial neurosurgery, cerebrovascular, functional, and brain tumor.
I'm Michael Sisti here at Brainwaves in New York City. New York City can't really beat it. Great speakers, great camaraderie, novel ideas.
Really excited for a great day of all brain talks today.
I've been having a great time here at Brainwaves.
This was a great experience. I'm so glad I came.
Being a tumor guy, there were a lot of spine talks, but many of them involved tumor treatment. Today's talk will be a little update about how we behave as surgeons in this new environment.
I gave the talk yesterday. I think it went pretty well. How to treat glioblastomas using a concept of consilience. It means joining together different forms of technology that can enhance resection and reduce complications.
These are obviously things which are still at a research stage, but it's exciting to think about how some of these innovations may translate in the future.
Learned a lot about our technology and what we're doing and advances in our surgery techniques right now.
It's been an exciting conference so far.
It's been a great group coming from all over the country with Columbia faculty. Really excited about what's going to be coming up.
And looking forward to Brainwaves next year, 2026.